good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this time, I thank you all for tuning in to my 3110th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. How are you, Omniacs around the world? So the Omni's been really keeping us in tune, and let's take a look at what is going on for trading on Tuesday. That is July 28th, 2026. Please remember that trading is risky. Every type of trading you can think of is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops. Any market, any platform that allows, put those protective stops in first. Traders, we're looking at Tuesday, the 28th of July. Omni is mixed. It's not telling me to buy or sell, but it is mostly pointing down. And let me show you what's going on. We've been looking at this pennant all week long, right? And the pennant has been violated for 3 days in a row now. We settled under it again on Monday. The Omni's neutral, but the markets look a little bit heavy here. In fact, there's an Oscarism trade setting up that I will call if the market sets up, and we'll end up short these markets at some point. So this is E-mini S&P daily. For the day, daily trading, not looking very good. Oh boy, being that we're under this, we're underneath this whole entire pennant right now, so you got to say oh boy to that, right? So that is your E-mini S&P. We're going to go look at NASDAQ next. NASDAQ looks like this. Now, if you recall, I've been showing you that we sort of morphed into this downward channel. We got below the average, and it just keeps on going, and it's got an ugly look to it, and it still has an ugly look to it for trading on Tuesday. We would be selling rallies if we could get a fill in NASDAQ, E-mini, S&P, Russ, any of those. The Omni is sort of mixed signals. Oscarism would say we're going to get short if we get a decent rally to sell into. And then let me show you, let's go back to ES for a moment because I want to show you something interesting. Now, it really looks terrible, right? Day trading, it looks terrible. It looks like we're coming down for the next few days. Let's go take a look. E-mini S&P, let's take a look at this. Now we're going to look at the E-mini S&P weekly. And here's what I want everyone to recognize. The all-time forever highs that were ever made were right here, kids, right here. We're here. I mean, we're this close to the all-time forever highs. I know there's a lot of talk out there. There's a lot of panic talk starting. We are this far from all-time highs. Nothing bad has happened. This is the middle of the summer. It is the middle of the year. A pullback is probably healthy if we could get one in the summer, get it out of the way before the fall takes place, right? But the all-time highs are 76.92. We're right here. Nothing major has happened yet. I just wanted to reassure some of the traders out there that are getting nervous. Nothing's happened yet. Nothing at all. It's just that the movement is so wide in this little area, it feels like the world's coming to an end. But that's not quite what we see when we pull up the longer-term charts. So don't get nervous about that. Back to day trading, however. Back to day trading. We're going to go look at some other markets and, of course, even the E-mini S&P. When we look at day trading and we go back and call that a daily, of course, this looks ugly. But that weekly is only if you're a fund manager, right? Us day traders, we don't look at the weekly until the end of the week. We'll see what it's doing. For us day traders, I don't like what it looks like. That's for sure. Now, let's go look at something else that people have been asking me about, and it looks pretty simple to me. Mr. Bitcoin, what is going on here, traders? This is what you'd call a bear flag. The flag pole is a little out of sight, but it's right there, leading into the bear flag, right? So what happens? The bear flag worked. We dropped, boom, into another flag pole, which then created another bear flag, which then worked. Okay, well, here we are, a third bear flag. Is it working? Well, from what I can see, close up a little here, looks like it's working to me. We have failed at the top. We tried it several times, tried it again on Friday. Monday, it didn't like the action from what I'm seeing, or tried it again on Monday, I should say. And Monday afternoon, it doesn't like the action. So it looks to me like the bear flag is doing what it did here and what it did here. And what it looks like it's doing right here is starting to head down in this direction. So I think this one's working. Why? Well, it's called a repetitive pattern, and that one worked, and that one worked. Oh, I gotta say, this one's working for now until that pattern stops repeating. Looks like Bitcoin will take it on the chin just a little bit. Remember, kids, it is midsummer, it is mid-year. That's okay for the markets to have a pullback. It's okay. This is a bit more than a pullback, by the way. This is Bitcoin. That is a bit more than a pullback from 126. Halving itself, that's more than a pullback, I'll tell you that much. But pullbacks in the summer do make sense. So I wouldn't get too worried about it yet. Although, as you know, I am out of Bitcoin for this reason, and I'm more into something else. I'm more into this because it makes perfect sense to me. I'm in the Omni Phoenix token. Why? Well, look at it. I mean, it's the best chart that I can show you in any direction right now. This is the best looking chart. It's my Omni Phoenix. There's OMNIX all over the world plowing in. You can buy it at Phantom Wallet, at Coinbase, or Pump.fun, or any exchange, really. Get yourselves in the Omni Phoenix, the Omni PHX, worldwide audience, worldwide community, worldwide participation. How could you not want to get in this? Traders, make sure you get your Omni Phoenix. It has been my gift to my Omniacs around the world. The more I can help you, the more I will. This has been helping. I defend it. Everyone else defends it. Make sure that you get in this coin and we'll help defend you as well. Get your Omni Phoenix at Phantom Wallet, Coinbase, Pump.fun, or just about anywhere else. But make sure you go out and buy them. Buy them right now. Don't miss your chance. I am going to 10 times this. I promise you. You'll see. It's going. This is the summertime. We're building our nice base. The base is a wonderful base, but we're going to take this much higher. Make sure you get yourselves in. And let's go back to where we were. And this way we can look at this and remember that for short-term day trading, this does not look very good. The E-mini S&P, nor the NASDAQ or the Russ. And we're probably going to sell the rallies as an Oscarism trade, even with mixed Omni signals. I hope that helps. That's all for trading on July 28, 2026. Please come to livewithoscar.com. Do it now. Join me in my free live trading room where I am always at. I'm even in the room right now. Look, you think I'm kidding? This is happening live as I speak to you. I'm always in my live trading room. It's free. It's at livewithoscar.com, and it costs absolutely nothing, not even a credit card. So come join me. I stream all day long on Twitter. I stream all day long on YouTube. But at the end of the day, I turn that stuff off and I only hang out in my live trading room so I can listen to music and do the things I want to do without making strikes against me on these social networks. So this is my private trading room. It's open to the public, but it's private for me because I'm allowed to do anything I want in here without breaking or infractioning any rules. No infractions of the rules. Great place to be. Livewithoscar.com. Please make sure you show up. Leave your comments below. I answer all of them personally. Like and share these videos. And remember, stop soaring. Emotions are traders, rock and roll. We'll talk about more charts all week long. We got a 2-day Fed meeting, and I'll show you why there's not much left to keep these markets up here, and we're likely going to get a midsummer pullback. More in the next few videos, more at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you join. I'll see you there.